Hello everyone, it's 16th December. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Hindu newspaper. In the first page we have, with new bill, demand-led job scheme set to turn supply-driven. Again, very important for economic perspective, employment perspective. Then we have trade deficit falls to $6.6 billion in November due to merchandise export growth. Again, very important for economic perspective. Then we have classes up to grade 5 to shift online amid hazardous airspace. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Singapore High Commission's advisory on air pollution to its citizen triggers war of words. Again, very important for environment perspective. Then we have Karnataka government to revive Chilium trust case probed and amid water fraud allegations. Again, very important for political and governance perspective. Moving forward, we have Goa Fire at Sea initiates Suo PIL against illegal nightclubs. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have Thiruparam Kundaram Row, Tamil Nadu tells High Court pillar belongs to Jain, not Hindus. Again, very important for society perspective. Moving forward, we have why were Indigo operations disrupted? Again, very important. Then we have, does India need to upgrade its biosecurity measures? Again, very important for security perspective. Moving forward, we have Prime Minister Modi arrives in Jordan, says his visit will boost bilateral linkages. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have Shanti bill to allow private sector to run nuclear power plants. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have NIA charges 4 LET TRF terrorists in Pahalgam attack. Again, very important. Then we have unemployment rate dips to 4.7% in November, says PLFS. Again, very important for employment perspective. Then we have India Mexico in talks to mitigate tariff hike impact, says Agrawal. Again, very important. Then we have India US very close to finalizing initial framework deal. Again, very important. Both the news are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have lawmakers set to debate 100% FDI in insurance proposal. Again, very important for economic perspective. Lastly, we have the world page where we have father-son duo behind Australia shooting that killed 15, say police. Again, very important. Then we have you can resist US push to cede Donbass, says official. Then lastly, we have Thailand's airstrikes hit home province of heritage temples. All these news are very important for international relations perspective. And that is it for today. I will see you in another video. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.